Good morning, students. Now, in the last session, we have learnt some properties of the different types of polygons and also about regular polygon. So, we have discussed that the number of diagonals of any polygon. I'll recall the few properties which we have learnt. Number of diagonals of a polygon is n into n minus 3 upon 2. Number 1. Number 2, sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Number 3, sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always equal to 360 degree. Any polygon, sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degree. Number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by measure of each exterior angle or measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. In the last class, we have also discussed that the least measure of any interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree. Least measure of interior angle of any polygon is equal to 60 degree. Okay? Note down, students. Another point, for any polygon, measure of interior angle plus exterior angle is always equal to 180 degree because they form a linear pair. Maximum measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 120 degree. Least measure of interior angle is 60 degree and maximum measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 120 degree. Apart from this, the smallest regular polygon is an equilateral triangle. A regular polygon having 4 sides is a square. Rhombus is not a regular polygon because its sides are equal but its angles are not equal. So this was just the review of the last 2 classes which we have learnt. Now, proceeding further. Now today we'll solve the question, some figure based questions based on the properties or the measures of interior angles and the measures of exterior angles. Right? So, my first question is, before this, I'd like to remind you that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree, and also sum of exterior angles is also equal to 360 degree. Okay, so using this property, first example is 2 angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degree and 55 degree. 2 angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degree and 55 degree. The other 2 angles are equal. The other 2 angles are equal. Find the angles. Find the angles. See, 2 angles already given as 75 degree and 55 degree. Other 2 angles are equal. Let each equal angle Bx. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral, this is the symbol for a quadrilateral, is always equal to 360 degree. One angle is given as 75, other angle is 55, third angle is x, fourth angle is also x. equal to 360 degree. 75 plus 55, 130 plus 2x equal to 360. Therefore 2x equal to 360 minus 130. 2x equal to 230 degree. Therefore x is equal to 230 upon 2, which is 115 degree. Therefore the answer we would like to write like this: measure of each equal angle is 115 degree. This is the final answer. Okay, see, very simple questions. Only thing you need to learn the properties, remember the properties and apply them in a proper way. Okay, note it down, students. Okay, fine. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Example number 2. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4, 1:2:3:4. Find the angles. Okay, so this question can be solved in two ways. Let's take the first method, जो कि हमने लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल वाले पार्ट में भी डिस्कस किया था कि जब भी रेशियो दिया होता है, रेशियो ऑफ एंगल्स इज 1:2:3:4. तो जब भी रेशियो दिया होता है बच्चों, तो एंगल्स अज्यूम करने के लिए एक मल्टीपल ले लें. लेट angles be 1x means x, 2x, 3x and 4x. Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. Sum of all, so we'll get here x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. We get 10x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 360 divided by 10, 36 degree. X 36. So the angles are angles are 1 into x 36, 2 into x, 2 into x, 2 into 36, 72 degree. 3 into x, 108 degree, 3 into 36. 4 into x, 144 degree. This is your answer. This is one method, a very simple one. Let's discuss the second method. Now see, again we see that sum of angles, ratio of angles already given. Ratio of angles is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Sum of angles is 360 degree. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें 360 डिग्री को 1:2:3:4 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है. तो वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. फर्स्ट एंगल हमारा होगा, फर्स्ट एंगल 1, पार्ट इज 1. आउट ऑफ द टोटल देखिए यहां पे कितना आ रहा है, 4 + 3 7 + 2 9 + 1 10, 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 multiplied by the sum 360. That will come out to be 1/10 into 360, which is 36 degree. फर्स्ट एंगल आ गया आपका, फर्स्ट एंगल आ गया. अब सेकेंड एंगल निकालना है. 2 parts out of the total 10 into 360. तो यहां 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया. 72 डिग्री आंसर. इसी तरीके से थर्ड एंगल 3/10 into 360, 108 डिग्री. ऐसे ही फोर्थ एंगल 4/10 into 360, 144 डिग्री. ओके, सो दीज आर द 2 मेथड्स. बच्चों जो आपको इजी लगे उस मेथड से आप कर सकते हैं. बोथ आर इजी रादर, राइट. For any doubt, you can contact this number 9981499527. This is my WhatsApp number. Watch the video again and again. Okay, let's take another example, a figure-based question, right? Example number 3. Example number 3. Find the value of x in the following figure. X in the following figure. This one is 80 degree. This is x here. Again this is 70 degree. This one is 30 degree. and here it is again x, and this is 40 degree. Okay, so now this question can be solved in two ways, three ways rather. First method, let's consider only triangle ABC. Only triangle ABC. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. ना सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स, हमने ये वाला ट्राइंगल लिया बच्चों ABC. ABC ए में पहला एंगल है आपका 70 डिग्री, एक एंगल है आपका 40 डिग्री, तीसरा एंगल अननोन है जो कि x है, इक्वल टू 180. 110 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. This is the answer. This is one method. Other method, second one. Let's consider triangle ADC only. Similar one. अब ट्राइंगल ADC लिया है हमने. ADC ये वाला ट्राइंगल है, इसमें एक एंगल 80 है, एक 30 है और एक x है. So again using the same property, 80 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180. Therefore 110 plus x is 180 degree. So again we get the same thing, x is equal to 70 degree. मेथड आप कोई भी अप्लाई करें आंसर सेम आएगा. थर्ड मेथड, now we'll be considering the whole quadrilateral. पूरा quadrilateral लेना है ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD. अब इसमें आप एंगल्स देखिए क्या क्या है. एंगल्स, द होल एंगल ए, एंगल ए पूरा, तो ये हो जाएगा पूरा आपका x प्लस 70. पूरा एंगल ए आपका है x प्लस 70. एंगल बी ये है, एंगल बी ओनली x. अब एंगल सी, एंगल सी ये है पूरा एंगल सी. एंगल सी इज 30 प्लस 40, मतलब 70 डिग्री हो गया एंगल सी. एंगल डी केवल ये है 80 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ यूजिंग सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. इस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करते हैं. पहला एंगल आपका x प्लस 70, दूसरा एंगल x, तीसरा एंगल 70, चौथा एंगल 80 डिग्री, इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. अब देखिए यहां पे x प्लस x लीनियर इक्वेशन बनती है बच्चों. 2x प्लस 70 प्लस 70 is 140 plus 80 is 220. 220 is equal to 360 डिग्री. 220 इधर ट्रांसपोज होगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, मतलब हो गया 2x is equal to 140 डिग्री. 360 minus 220, 140. Therefore x is equal to 70 degree. This is the answer, right? So in all the three methods you see x is 70, x 70, x 70, you will get the same answer whichever method you apply. The basic thing is concept applied should be correct. Instead of going for the answer, you should go for the correct method, because Maths gives you stepwise marking, right? Note it down. Okay. The next question. Find the value of x in the following figures. First one. This is 2x. This one is x plus 10. The other one is 30 degree. And this one is 45. Second one. Similar question you have in your NCERT book. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. This one is 50 degree. This is x and this is also x. Third one. This is a regular hexagon. You have to find out the value of x, that is the measure of each angle. Okay, let's see the first one. The first one, very simple one. This is a quadrilateral. So we know that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, we'll get 2x plus x plus 10 plus 45 plus 30 is equal to 360 degree. 2x plus x, 3x plus 55 plus 30, 85 equal to 360. Okay. In place of 30, I will take. Okay, let it be. So 3x is equal to 360 minus 85. So here we get 3x is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 8, 7, 275. Therefore, x is equal to 275 upon 3. Obviously, it will be in decimals. Angle can also be in decimals. It is 91 2 by 3 degree, or we can write it as 91.66 degrees, right? Or even you can leave the answer here itself, that is 275 upon 3. Okay, so with this concept you can see angle can be in decimals as well, right? Next question. Now this figure has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 sides. This is a pentagon. So sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to, pentagon, see 5 sides. You had the formula n minus 2 into 180. So we'll have 5 minus 2 into 180 as the sum, 3 into 180 as the sum. That means sum is 540 degree. Sum is 540. So let's frame an equation. See, this angle is perpendicular, means 90 degree. This is also equal to 90 degree. So we'll get the equation like this: x plus 50 plus x plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 540. So we get 2x plus 230 is equal to 540. That means 2x is equal to 540 minus 230, which is equal to 310. Therefore, x is equal to 310 upon 2. That is, x is equal to 155 degree. So the measures of both the equal angles is 155 degree. Third one. See, this is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. 6-sided figure. Sum of interior angles will be, say in place of 5 now we'll have sides as 6. 6 minus 2 into 180, 4 into 180, that is 720 degree. All angles are equal. So we can have each angle is x. Each angle is x. So therefore the sum will be x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x 6 times. So we'll get 6x is equal to 720. X is equal to 720 upon 6. X is equal to 120 degree is the measure of each angle of a regular hexagon. Right? So students, note it down. A few more questions based on property of exterior angle now. D. E. F. This is given as 100 degree. The other one is given as 95 degree. You have to find out the value of x. Another one, this is x and this is also x. The measures of these two angles are given as one is 90 degree and the other one is 100 degree. You have to find out the value of x. Next figure, here you are given x, this is y, the other one is z, and you have to find out x plus y plus z. Okay, let's see the fourth one, D. This figure is a triangle. This figure is a quadrilateral. Now in this figure, we know that simply sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degree. Therefore, we have all these three are exterior angles. 95 plus 100 plus x equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 195. Therefore, x is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Right? So the value of x is 165 degree. Clear? Using similar one. Now, as we are given these two are interior and these two are exterior. So what we do, we'll extend the sides to get the two exterior angles. And let's mark these exterior angles as A and B. So first we'll find out the value of A and B, and then we apply the property that is sum of exterior angles is 360. So to find out A and B, first we find A and then B. We know that interior angle plus exterior angle is always equal to 180. So therefore we'll get A plus 90 is 180, or A is equal to 180 minus 90, A is equal to 90 degree. Again, B plus 100 is 180. Therefore, B is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. So we have calculated A, we have calculated B. Now we'll find out X. For that, sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degree. So we'll have A plus B plus X is equal to 360. A is 90, B is 80, X plus X 2X is equal to 360. So here we get 2X, 360 minus 170, that is 190 degree. Therefore X is equal to 190 upon 2, which is equal to 95 degrees. Right? Let's see the sixth part. Again, let's mark the interior angles as A, B and C, because these are neither the exterior angles nor the interior angles. So first we have to get the either all exterior or all interior angles. So what we need to do, now these angles, A is equal to X, B is equal to Y, C is equal to Z. Okay? Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. 7th क्लास में पढ़ा था बच्चों, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. कैपिटल एक्स जब हम लिखते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन जब हम बनाते हैं, इस तरह का साइन जब भी बनता है तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल होता है. ऐसे ये वाला एंगल और इधर वाला एंगल, ये भी वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स होते हैं. ओके, सो एंड द मेजर्स ऑफ वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. So we have A is equal to X, B is equal to Y, C is equal to Z. Now we have to find out X plus Y plus Z. So we see X plus Y plus Z. X is equal to क्या था बच्चे? A. Y की वैल्यू क्या है? B. और Z की वैल्यू क्या है? C. A plus B plus C. And A, B, C, these are nothing but the interior angles of a triangle. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Hence, X plus Y plus Z is also equal to 180 degree. Okay? Was that clear? Right? So watch the video. Subscribe the channel Maths by Pradeep Burde. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notifications for the latest videos uploaded. Right? And for any doubt, you can send a WhatsApp on my number, that is 99814 99527. Okay?